Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be kind of like doing a makeup tutorial, but I'm going to be vlogging it because I'm redoing my look that I just did on my TikTok. It's popping right now, but I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't think, like, people who say like, oh, it's the best one, it's really not. I think the other girl's way more better. So I'm gonna redo the look because by using their comments, obviously, but yeah, I'm gonna redo it. So off the bat, I've noticed that a lot of people said that it was kind of like a devil look and very messy, which yes, that was the main point of it, so I'm not mad at that. But yeah, they said it was a bit more devilish instead of what it's supposed to be, like sunset and happiness. So I'm gonna mellow it more and make it more happy, I guess. I don't really know. But okay, yeah. Okay, I gotta put my contacts. These are the worst things ever, and it's the best to take a video of because it's kind of funny. So, yeah. Oh, God, no. I still got leftover fucking flesh because I did this last night, and I tried to get it out. It looks like lice. Ew. Okay, so I'm still gonna do the same contacts because I think it's cool. My hands are clean. If you guys want to learn how to put it in contact, don't follow this video. Oh, if you don't like this, then switch. Oh my God, I can't. Move it, stick. I'm not fazed by it. Yes, I am. Oh, that hurts like a bitch. Oh. Now I sit here for 5 minutes and wait until it feels okay to open my eye. Oh, Lord.
Why is this guy so hot?
Why are you showing me boys?
Sorry, I forgot you're attracted to girls.
Ah!
Did you get it in?
Yeah, but it hurts like a bitch. Oh. Fucking A. Okay, the red one didn't hurt at all yesterday, and this one just fucking hurts. Fucking Jesus. What the what? I just rejected it.
Cool.
Ugh. This one does not hurt. This one, on the other hand, you are a bitch. Okay, now that the pain is done, it is 8:02 p.m. Made sure I did it early so that I'm not up at night until like 4 a.m. Like last night, I didn't go to sleep till 5 because I kept on tossing and turning because, you know, scrubbing your face with a moisturizer, fuck, this hurts so much. Actually happy that I got a little bit of clout because holy crap, mother of mercy, these hurt. Basically, I put the line on my face. Obviously, we have to do on Mr. White Christmas first. So I'm taking this face paint that I got from the Halloween store. It's pretty fucking shitty on your face, not gonna lie. I also have this CCB Beauty, but that was a too dark of color. I do use it for the contour part, but yeah. So right now I'm taking this. I'm gonna spray it with this Jeffree Star spray. even think of what to say right now. And then I take a brush. I do paint brushes for face paint. It just makes logic sense because they're very flat. And I go around and rub it till I make it a consistency that actually will blend or go on my face, because these are, as much as I love face paint, they're hard to work with. So, yeah. Face paint's really oily too, so it looks very bad in the light. I'm just painting my face. Normally when I blend the blue, it does not blend right or like the right color, so yeah.
On TikTok, but only 2 people at once can like watch it. Or is it 4 people? I want to say it's 4 people.
Now for contouring, I'm taking the dark blue, spraying it with the thing, and I gotta go ham on this stuff.
Okay, what do you want to watch?
Anything.
Jeff Goldblum.
Okay, now I take Laura Mercier powder. That's my favorite palette. I mean, fucking A, I can't talk about it. Powder, obviously, it's everyone's favorite because it's like the #1 rated. And you probably don't care that I think it's pretty good, but it is. And a brush. Oh, there's the powder. Oh, this video already looks pretty ratchet. But okay, now I'm gonna be doing an eye look. Taking the Blueboard palette, and I like this shade I'm Cold. Why did I say Crybaby? And just putting this all over my lid because frankly it doesn't matter. Everything's blue and it's the same color blue as my eyelid. Okay, now I took like Blue Monday, which is the dark shade. I'm making this kind of like a look, I guess. And then this
Are you talking to me?
Undertaker, no. It's dark shade, putting the crease, moving it up. I feel like a fucking YouTuber when I say this stuff. Taking a kind of thin brush and going in with the Blue Monday dark shade underneath my eye. White shade. It's kind of like, ooh. Taking some nice elf chat type. Why did I say it that way? Yeah. Now striking Blue Monday. And then on that will be the white shade that we use underneath our eye, which is glittery. No, that's the white shade. This white shade is a perfect highlighter for this look. Maybe too much was on there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It'll be covered up, I think. Okay, so now I'm doing the snowflake. I have white. This one's actually pretty good. And then my cosmetics brush.
I love how everybody told you to make different facial expressions, but everybody did them.
I don't know what facial expressions they were talking about, but I'll try this time. Snowflakes are so easy. So snowflakes are like imperfect, so it doesn't matter how like you do it. So that's one snowflake. I'm gonna do one up here, one down here. Well, I messed up making my TikTok, so now I'm sad. But that's okay, because we gonna still do it. Anyways, didn't film it, but I did my eyebrow. Forgot. Okay, so now I have these lashes. I kind of put white face paint on them. This box, yeah, online. I'll put it in the description. So I was focusing too much on my TikTok. Basically what you missed is I put some hairspray coloring that I got from a Halloween store in my hair. I love doing that instead of wigs, because you know I don't have that much of a variety of wigs. I have hiccups too. And I put on Wet n Wild Liquid and ColourPop lip gloss, because this shit is glossy. Oh my god, it sounds weird when I say that. This one is a bit more complicated. So, a lot of people said that was too much devil. Nah, I'm kidding. Yeah, they said it was too much devil-like. And it's more of a sun vibe. So I'm going to be doing a sunset down to clouds. So we're doing a sun up here. And then it will go to a clouds. Yeah, I want to see if this works. Oh my god. That was trippy. So I'm taking this. I'm taking the orange shade called Suck. Shade Licorice. Taking the pink shade that I love for a highlight called Snack. Right on the lid. Like I'm taking orange, a light orange, like the orange, and lightly going over the sun marks. Since I didn't show my eyebrows in the last one. Now time for some of my favorite things to do, clouds. I put the white shade over the clouds, so it has a little bit of an effect to it. All right, now it's time for me to straighten my hair. I bought earrings just for this occasion. No, I really didn't. I thought these would be cool for any other makeup look, but maybe this one, because I just filmed, I didn't film it on camera, but I just straightened my hair. That's from yesterday. Because I didn't want you to see me burning my hair, literally fucking burning my hair. My hair
370.2K.
370? Holy shit. I didn't even think that was a good, I didn't think my TikTok was good. I'm almost done, so I'm going to be putting gems on my moles because they're showing. Every time I feel self-conscious about when I do this. Fun fact, if you want to lie myself. Also because like it's cute. I'm taking these really big, cute, fiery looking ones because we spicy today. Looking very fiery. This is my overall look. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Everybody, you had them pretty. All of the body, I need ass and titties.